Hello, fashion enthusiasts! You're tuned in to PrestigeStyleHub, your go-to place for the latest trends and styles of your favorite celebrities. Today, we're diving deep into the unique fashion world of Zendaya. Stay tuned to know how you can recreate Zendaya's iconic looks. Zendaya, a name synonymous with bold, fearless, and unique fashion choices. Over the years, this fashion chameleon has evolved, making her mark with an eclectic style that effortlessly marries casual and formal, streetwear, and high fashion. Her knack for experimentation keeps us on our toes, as she regularly stuns onlookers with daring and unexpected outfit choices. She's redefining fashion norms, proving that style isn't just about following trends, but about making bold individual statements. Zendaya's style is all about pushing boundaries and expressing individuality. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, how to dress like Zendaya. Let's dive into the key elements that are quintessential to achieving that Zendaya look we all love. First up, oversized clothing. Zendaya has a knack for making oversized pieces look chic and tailored. From oversized blazers to baggy jeans, she rocks them all with an effortless charm. Next, let's talk about the mix and match of patterns. Zendaya is no stranger to experimenting with different textures, prints, and patterns. She seamlessly combines them to create a look that's uniquely hers. Then, there's her preference for monochrome outfits. Zendaya often opts for a single color scheme, but she keeps it interesting by playing with different shades and tones within that palette. This creates a harmonious yet striking look. Now, let's not forget about accessories. Zendaya knows that the right accessory can elevate an outfit from good to great. Whether it's a statement necklace, a chunky belt, or a quirky bag, she uses accessories to add a personal touch to her outfits. Finally, Zendaya often complements her outfits with bold makeup and hairstyles. She's not afraid to play with color and try new trends, making her a true style icon. So, dare to experiment, mix it up, and most importantly, wear your confidence just like Zendaya. That wraps up our style guide on how to dress like Zendaya. We encourage you to try these tips, embrace your unique fashion sense, and make Zendaya's style your own. Don't forget to subscribe to PrestigeStyleHub for more style inspiration. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself, so go out there and make your style statement. Until next time, this is PrestigeStyleHub signing off.